This is gonna blow your mind. Your zip files might be a hacker's best friend. A critical vulnerability in the popular 7-zip tool known as CVE 2000-25-0411 has been exploited by Russian cybercrime groups. This flaw allows attackers to bypass Windows protections and execute harmful code. Despite being patched in November 2024, many businesses are still at risk. The attackers use sophisticated spear-phishing campaigns disguising malicious files as legitimate documents. Initially targeting Ukrainian entities, the same techniques can be adapted for West Houston businesses. Companies handling sensitive financial or customer data are particularly vulnerable. The attack starts with a phishing email containing a homoglyph file, tricking users into opening a malicious zip file. Once opened, it downloads smoke-loader malware, capable of stealing credentials and establishing backdoors. To defend against such threats, update 7-zip to version 24.09 or later, implement advanced email filtering, enforce zero-trust policies, and conduct employee training on phishing tactics. Impress IT Solutions emphasizes proactive cybersecurity measures to safeguard your business. Don't wait for an attack, protect your data now. Contact Impress IT Solutions for tailored cybersecurity solutions.